Exodus movement just caught a bid, and the timing is interesting. On the day Google marks its 27th birthday, one of crypto's most recognizable wallet brands is back on traders' screens. According to Nasdaq, shares of Exodus movement, ticker EXOD, jumped about 12% in the last session to close near $32, capping roughly a 6% climb over the past 4 weeks. The move came on heavier than normal volume, and the write-up credits a few specific growth angles: rising stablecoin adoption, a MetaMask integration that broadens reach, and new retail-friendly features like XO and XOPay aimed at making crypto access simpler. Nasdaq's piece also notes consensus expectations for a small quarterly loss as the company invests in product, with revenue projected to grow roughly 25% year-over-year, so the bull case here is less about instant profitability and more about user growth translating into top-line momentum. What does that mean if you're watching the tape rather than the narrative? With a story like Exodus, price usually follows to things: product adoption you can measure and broader crypto liquidity. If XO and XOPay drive more in-app activity and stablecoin volumes keep expanding, it shows up as higher transactions per user and steadier take rates. On days when Bitcoin or majors are firm, wallet names tend to catch flows. When the market chops or sells off, they trade like high-beta software fast both ways. The practical checklist is simple. Look for sustained volume above average, higher lows holding after green sessions, and updates that confirm distribution partnerships and usage rather than just headlines. If the stock gives back gains immediately on light news, the move is likely positioning, not a trend. It also helps to separate story risk from execution risk. Story risk is whether self-custody wallets remain a priority if spot crypto ETFs keep soaking up mainstream demand. Execution risk is whether Exodus can convert feature launches into stickier daily active users and growing payment flows. The first is a market structure question. The second is a roadmap and product market fit question. Either way, near-term results will probably hinge on evidence that new integrations like MetaMask are widening the funnel, while monetization expands beyond one-time swaps into recurring, payment-style activity. And yes, about that timing, it's Google's 27th birthday today, a reminder of how distribution and usability can turn a niche technology into everyday infrastructure. Google marked the day with an official birthday doodle that brought back its original 1998 logo. A little nostalgia hit that also underlines a serious point for any consumer tech company. The fastest path to durable growth is making complex things feel simple and familiar. That's the bar wallet apps are trying to clear as crypto pushes further into the mainstream. Bottom line, according to Nasdaq, Exodus movement stock pop reflects renewed interest around stablecoin rails, integrations, and retail-friendly features, with investors betting product traction can outrun near-term losses. If usage climbs and volumes stay elevated, the story can compound. If not, expect the stock to trade with broader crypto risk until the next proof point arrives. You've been watching Cryptozard News. Please subscribe and like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what other crypto-related news you'd like to hear in the future.